know how we roll, guys. So in today's video, we're going to be making this beautiful braid wig. Feel it is a wig. We're going to be making this beautiful. Let's go. Right. Stick around. Stick around. Let's go. Right. Into the video. So for this particular video, I'm going to be using this dome cap and of course this color, wine color plus color 30. So because I've already ventilated the closure, I just went ahead to sew in the closure. But while placing it, I placed it sideways, not at the middle.
Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on.
Please, if you're watching my video for the first time, do not forget to subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, whoa, thank you for always sticking around my channel. And please, guys, do not forget to give my video a thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Hit it right now. Give my video a thumbs up because it will help the algorithm to recommend this video to more people. Thank you all.
You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first.
So if you want to know how I actually make my closure and you don't know how to ventilate, I'd advise you go to my description box and then you see a link down below where I put a link on my various video on how to ventilate, especially for those that are beginners that don't know how to ventilate. It will actually help you. Just check the description box and just watch the video. Because this is not a ventilating video, I actually did not show how I ventilated this closure. And for the feeding part, I already prepped my attachment by arranging strands of hair, placing them in a way that I'll be able to pick them one by one. So it's easier for me since I don't have someone feeding giving me the attachment. So that is what I did. So I just picked from there and then started doing the feeding for those that will be doing it on their own. So that's it, yeah.
You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. about others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise.
As soon as I was done making the feeding for this side, I just went ahead to use my eyebrow pencil to give a curve like so. When I was done with the lining of these, I just went ahead to take my ventilating pin and then ventilate along the line, the curve line. That was a base for making feeding braids to give this pattern, if that makes sense. Yes.
You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Yo, I think about others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. think about others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I
If you watch up to this point, please, guys, do not forget to hit the like button. Please hit the like button. Give my video a thumbs up. Do it right now. Do it right now. Yes, do it right now. Please. Thank you.
we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first.
Whilst I was done with the hair, I just went ahead to use my needle and thread to just sew in these other parts so that it will lay properly, like so. It actually helped the hair to stay very proper. Yes.
You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.
By the time I was done with the hair, I just went ahead to ventilate some strands of hair to give it some edges. So to give this baby girl for life look. Yes.
Focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first.
Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for watching up to this point. Please, thank you, thank you. And then do not forget to what? Hit the like button and then subscribe and turn that post notification.